Good morning, everyone. Today is December 6, 2014, the Panalawahig Festival of the Pulangihon Tribe in Liloan, Valencia City.
Boy. Boy. Sige na doon, sakay na dito.
Okay, we are now having the paanod sa gakit in the Pulangi River. Today is full moon of December 6, 2014.
Ay, kliyok-kliyok, boy.
Okay, ako. Okay, what we have this morning is the paanod sa gakit. With me here is Dato Saluduhan, the baylan of the ceremony. So we are now here at the Pulangi River here in Liloan, and today is around 6 in the morning. Thank you. Okay, save. Make sure it's saved.